If you want to take astrophotos on Google Pixel 10, first of all, of course, we need to open our camera. Then we need to switch to the night sight mode. And then over here in the bottom left corner, you should be able to tap on this setting icon in order to find Astrophotography, which should be set to automatic if you want to take an astrophoto. So besides that, we can tap on this question mark in order to find out how to actually use it. So it is recommended to enable a camera sound. So if you have muted camera sound, you want to turn it on. And also by doing so, we can hear when a photo is ready, because usually with the astrophotography, it takes a little while to take a photo. So over here, we can read that we can go into the night sight mode and set the astro. We can tap the shutter to start the 5-second timer, and then we can place our phone somewhere in order to, well, stabilize it, and then wait until the photo is captured, because it will take a short while, like I mentioned, before the photo is ready. There is also auto option, so you can place your phone on a tripod or a steady surface, and then the shutter changes from a moon to stars. So then you can tap on the shutter button in order to start taking the astrophotography. And that's pretty much it. So as you can see here, we have this one icon, and there we go. We have a countdown as well. So during that time, the phone should be steady, laying on a flat surface, for example, and just wait until it is done. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.